Hi guys, today I'm here with you installing a rear view mirror on my '02 Tacoma. It's pretty simple. What happened with mine was it actually fell off, and that's pretty much it, and it goes up inside here. The way to put this back on, because this thing is, you can't push it back inside, you have to actually take off the little map lights. There's only 4 bolts. I think there's 2 screws up down in this area and 2 more up top. So once you get that pulled off, that's what it looks like. And basically that clip that comes inside sits here with these little retaining pieces. So you want to make sure that you got it facing the right way and don't install it backwards. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. Basically, these actually come out. So I'll pull one out, and there's a little groove inside. Now we'll focus. Again, let's see. So this one doesn't move around. And now to put this back in here. There's one. See, this might take a few tries. So there's one piece, and then the second one goes right in here. So you just gotta push it inside. I'm gonna need my hand for this. Whoops, and we lost it. On the other note, I just saw that there's a screw in here, and you probably just gotta pull that out and put it back in. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go look for that other piece that I just lost, but for future reference, you gotta look around and see if there's a screw there. It's probably you gotta take it out. Anyhow, you put this back in there, screw it back in place, plug in the piece back in there, screw it back up top, put in the little cover plate and then the little plastic piece, and you should be done. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching.